our skip counting, counting by 2s, counting by 5s, counting by 10s especially. To start us off, we're going to start off with a little Go Noodle to get our wiggles out. So if you have the ability, go online, go on Go Noodle and look up skip counting, and I'm going to dance along with you guys here in our room. Here we go.
Hey Brian, are we counting to 100 or what? Yeah! But we have to hurry, because I have to meet my grandma. No problem, we're skip counting, starting with 2s. 2s. Yeah, now it's time to count by 5s.
Here we go.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's count higher, higher, higher. Let's count higher, higher, higher. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's count higher, higher, higher. Let's count higher, higher, higher. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Let's count higher, higher, higher. Let's count higher, higher, higher.
Whoa, counting by 5s is cool. Yeah! Let's kick it up a notch and count by 10s.
Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's count higher, higher, higher. Let's count higher, higher, higher. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count higher, higher, higher. Let's count higher, higher, higher.
We did it! We counted to 100! Yeah! And just in time. Grandma!
Woo! Alright guys, nice job with those dancing skills. I hope you danced along with me at home. So you'll see on your paper today that we're working through, you're going to be counting by 2s, you're going to be counting by 5s, and you're going to be counting by 10s. But there's a part on our paper where we're counting by 10s, but we're not actually starting at 10. So lots of you have your hundreds chart at home, and we've talked about when you count by 10s, we say 10, oops, let me make it a color, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And we always know that if we want to find 10 more of any number, we have to go down on our hundreds chart. So for example, I might say, what is 10 more than 35? You would know to go down on your hundreds chart one number, and you would say 45. Now we don't often continue counting what's 10 more and 10 more and 10 more, but today we're going to count by 10s, but instead of starting at the number 10, we're going to start at a different number. So I'm going to leave my yellow up there so that you can remember when we usually have counted by 10s, we start at 10 and keep going down all the way to 100. But guess what? We can count by 10s starting at any of our numbers across the top, going down. Whoop. So I'm going to use a blue color, and we're going to count by 10s this time, but we're going to start with the number 3. I'm going to stay on. When we count by 10s, we always started at 10, but we're going to start with 3, and we know to find out what's 10 more of 3, we just go down one box. So 10 more than 3 is 13. Counting by 10s going down, 10 more than 13 would be 23. Then 33. Do you see the pattern? We're making a line just like we did over here, going down our hundreds chart, but we're just starting at a different number on the top. So then it's gonna be 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. Now we're not gonna get to all the way at 100 because we started at 3. If you start at 10, then you'll hit 100. But we can count by tens, starting with any number across the top, as long as there's 10 numbers between each. So let's try one more. You at home can also try. Let's see, let's use a green color, and let's start with the number 7. Which direction are we gonna go? Left, right, up, down. We're gonna go down because we know if we go down one box, that means we have added 10 more. 17, then 10 more is gonna be 27, 37, keep going, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. So those counting by tens, remembering that, using that hundreds chart today, get that out. If you don't have one at home or you didn't bring yours home from school, that's okay. You can look at one online or you can make your own hundreds chart. Get out a piece of paper and make your own, draw the boxes and write in all 100 numbers and practice that you're going down one box adds those 10 numbers to that number that you started with. So on our paper today, boys and girls, you're gonna see right here on number 2, it says to count by 10 starting with 1. Just like we did on our hundreds chart, you're gonna start with 1 and then you're gonna go down. What number comes below 1? It's gonna be 11. I gave you one answer. Then it's 21, 31. Then you're gonna continue the pattern counting by tens, but starting at the number 1 instead of 10. Then you're gonna count by ones, tell me what is one more. Then you're gonna tell me what is one less. And then you're gonna count by twos. If you forget, go back, play our Go Noodler again. Or look at that hundreds chart. Let's look at the back. On the back, you're also gonna be counting by twos. You're helping our bee go from flower to flower all the way to the hive. So you're counting by twos along the whole back. And then at the bottom, don't forget to carry that 1 when we're regrouping in our addition today. All right, I miss you guys so much. Hang in there, keep up the good work. Bye, first grade.